All right, welcome back, guys. So now, I told you guys I want to bring out the front part. Now, if you are still watching my video up to this time and you're not subscribed, then subscribe. Why have you not subscribed? Please, guys, make sure that you click on the like button and the notification button so you can always get videos from me. Yes, Mama. Okay, God bless you. All right, bye. Yeah. So make sure that you click on the like button and the notification button so you can also always get my videos and when I post. It's very important. And also, anytime you click on the like button, remember that you're promoting this video and you're letting YouTube to recognize to recommend this video to people like you that are interested. All right. So this time around, the next thing we're going to do is to fold this into two. Yeah, baby. All right. Bye bye. What is your sister? So guys, we are going to fold this cardboard into two parts. Now, what we want to use is this edge, the folded part, the edge part. So we're gonna pick up our pattern, place it at the edge directly. You can see place at the edge. Very simple. This is very simple. Just draw it here. Just draw it here, as you can see, and you mark it on the line so that the dots can show what you want to bring out, and mark it according to the what you have on the line. Okay, so and you are good to go. Very simple. So the next thing you're gonna be doing is just to connect the dots together. Connect the dots together. Although it is advisable that you do this on the card on your board. My board is not close by here, but so just bear with me. And more like this, since this is freehand sketching, so I'm not really worried about that. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna be doing is to cut it out. Let's cut this out. First of all, let me cut it outside the line so I'll be comfortable. Okay, now that we've cut it out, now we're still gonna cut it out. Look at this. So to cut outside the line, on the line rather, start cutting on the line. Gently, make sure that your hand is straight. You don't want to cut something that you're not be able to transfer into your pattern, because whatever you cut here is going to show a pattern. All right, so guys, look at this. Look at this. Now, if you want to make your pattern, maybe you feel that this is a bit wide. I intentionally made it wide because the foot of the person is wide, so I intentionally made this part wide. You can make it a bit slimmer if you want to make it a bit slimmer, depending on your choice. Yes, Mama. So, look at it. So, once you're done with that, you come here. Let's place this on our pattern. Look at it. This is what we're going to be having. Beautifully well drafted out. And here we go. So, this will be the other design, and this will be the full body of the design. I hope you learned something. So, this is how I drew the pattern. So, the next one will be transferring this into our leather. And see, so make it of the pattern. Okay, let's quickly draw the back strap. Very simple. Now, I'll just pick a piece of paper for the back strap, fold it into two. You can see that we have a lot of foldings that we do in this pattern class. Fold it into two. Look for something wide like this. Look at it. Look for something wide like this. Piece of paper. Fold it into two. Yeah, this is the freehand sketching. So, and cut it here. Now, if you are not really good with drawing, what you just need to do is, if you're not good with cutting, just draw a straight line. Now, you can measure, if you want to measure, you can measure 0.5 with distance, and you can measure 1 inch here. So 0.5 for the upper part and 1 inch for the bottom side. So, but this is since the freehand sketching, I'll just do this with freehand. Now, it has to be curved if you desire to. Let this side be curved. So you remember that it is folded into two. So, and the length will be determined by the length of this. Now, if you measure this, the length of this 2.5 plus 1 inch That's 3.5. Most times I use 3.5, and also remember to leave the allowance, which is 0.5 for the folding. So everything is 4 inches long. That's for this one. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut it out. Watch, guys. So I need to cut it out. I might tell you guys that 0.5 inch, 4 inches long. So I'm using the measurement for this. All right. So making sure that everything aligns with what I want. I'll call it for ma. Alright, so look at this. This is wide. So after opening it, I realized that this is a bit wide for me. I don't want it to be this wide, so I'm still gonna reduce it. If you want to reduce it, you can just still draw the pattern a little bit, so as to give you exactly what you want. So I noticed it's a bit wide. I still want to cut it. I still want it to be more slimmer. Yep. So look at this. This is perfect. This is what I want. So this is how to draw the back strap for your shoe cover. All right. So this is the back strap that we use in covering this part. So this part here, this is to be folded. We're folding this to go inside. That is like 0.5 inches to go inside. We're folding this particular part, as you can see. So this is going to be up for the back. After we have stitched this back part together, then this is what we're going to be using to cover the back. So that is the making of your pattern. So guys, let's watch the next one, which has to do with transferring the up pattern into our leather, and then we start preparing our upper. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.